water. Try to jump over you. Hold on, say something, jump right over you. Ready? Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. I'm trying to jump over my guy right here because the truck's really big. It can run over traffic and run over everybody in front of you. We're gonna do this video short and quick and sweet, so get to it, let's roll. So I was trying to jump over Landon just because I felt inspired by this truck right here, and I wanted to jump over something like the truck can run over something. So with that said, let's check it out. Ready? Interrupting my damn video. Come on, right in the middle of a video. It's like the seagulls that illegal, illegal, illegal. Ding, 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 ding. Call the police. Illegal, illegal dumpster dumping. Anyways, we'll get that on tape later on. Call the police. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I love you. You're in the middle of a video. You got 15,000 people looking at you. Say hi. We love you. I'm just kidding. God bless. Go. You need help?
No.
I'll help you.
I'm good.
Oh. We're gonna help you out, right? All right, run. Let's go.
Okay, there we go.
Go, run, get out of here. Go. Go. Shh. I just contributed to a crime, so we're going to make this video faster than we originally anticipated. With that said, I always love helping people out, so let's get to the video. Let's forget about that moment, erase this, don't go to your YouTube channel and subscribe, but at this point, start subscribing. Ready? If you're new to the channel, thanks for subscribing. If you're still here, thanks for watching. Check this out, 2017 big lifted Ram 1500 Beast, Bighorn, HEMI, 5.7 liter, beast of a truck. I mean, guys, this thing has it all. All the little cubby holes, we're gonna go through it short, quick, and sweet. But first, off the rip, the first thing you notice, big lift on it, big wheels, big tires. It's got a rough country suspension lift kit system right here. There's your drop bracket. There's your rough country shocks, or coils, or struts. We'll go up here, check this out. Rolling out a set of Vision. Beautiful chrome wheels. These are a 20 by 12 Vision chrome wheel with the spiked lug nuts, rolling on a set of 37, that's height right here, 37 1350 20-inch tires, and these are absolutely beast. I got a call. Look at this, calls coming in like crazy. It's like I got ADD and Tourette syndrome. It's just like, it's never enough. It's like every time I try to focus, my focal point's always off because people are calling and texting and interrupting videos, doing illegal trash dumping. On with the video. Rock lights, okay? Check this out. Huge, super bright. I'm gonna try to get a nighttime video of the rock lights. One corner here, right down here. The truck does not have any step rails on it. It could use a set of step rails because when you open the door in this big sucker, you gotta literally jump in. With that said, most people, white men can't jump, but I can jump pretty high. So back seat, a lot of room. See this grab bar? It's an oh shit grab bar for the rear. Pump yourself up, sit yourself in. Now you're enjoying plenty of room. I'm 6 foot tall and I got all the room I need. I got all the rear cables. I got the rear HVAC. I got a plug for my hair dryer to dry my hair. And check this out. When you're rolling with your boys, you want to roll deep with your buddies. Hey guys, you hungry, you thirsty? Pump this. This is my favorite thing in this truck. Pump this sucker open right here. Look, come check it out. Mini cooler for your beer. Put your beer in here. Your buddy's like, oh man, it's all ice is all melted. Well, no problem. Dump the ice out, put it right back in, refill it, you're ready to roll. Moving on to the rear of the truck. Rock lights also on the rear. Check it out. Boom, right there, right there. Bed cover. Check this out. Awesome bed cover. Max Mate bed cover. Rolling vinyl bed cover. Soft close tailgate, which means you hit the tailgate, you drop it down, it goes down nice and softly. Spray and bed liner. Look at the spray and bed liner. It's kind of a little dirty right now, but who cares? You can dust it off. All sprayed in liner, really nice and textured up. Dual exhaust system, okay? This has a, I want to say it's a it's a dual exhaust system. Dual exhaust system. Sounds really tough. Check it out. Ready? Get right here. Come on. Sounds nice, huh? You just shut it off like that. Reason why I have the hitch in the back, people are like, oh man, park in the parking lot. Yeah, coming out of the parking lot 15 minutes later, somebody smacked your $500 bumper, smashed in your $750 tailgate. Well, with the hitch, they're gonna mess up their car. It's their fault they parked too close to you. When I'm done with it, take it right out, rock and roll. Come on to the next right here. Look at this. Bighorn implemented the tailgate. These taillights are $700 a piece from the Dodge dealership. Don't mess them up. On the back right here, push fuel cover. Instant close. On the back right here, unlock it. Look how big the key fobs are on this sucker, by the way. They're huge. Lock, auto start, panic. Things like 1/25 the size of the truck itself. Bigger than an iPhone. Same with the rear. All LED lighting. I'm gonna go on to the front real quick and show you guys. Then we'll go to the power plant and the video. So, best thing I like about it, it's like dark wood grain with aluminum accent and then cloth below. They implemented every kind of material all in one panel. Bravo, Ram, bravo. Folding mirrors, hit the button. Mirror folds in, because it's the wide truck, you need room. Right here, check this out. Pump yourself up. Electric trailer brake or electric pedals. You can push your pedals up or down. Electric e-brake. Bed cover light. You can check out what's in the bed. Fog lights, automatic lights, dim control. Here's where people get this confused. So this is your ambient lighting, okay? So when you turn this on right here, it gives the glow inside the whole truck. It looks pretty cool. This is your actual instrument cluster and infotainment screen. You put that up or down. This is an aftermarket accessory right here. See this right here? This is called a pedal adjustment. Say it in the comments for me, guys. Pedal accelerator. You hit this button, you can put on eco mode, it'll die down. You hit the throttle and nothing's happening. You can put on extreme mode, hit the pedal, and it acts just like me. It's like balls to the wall, crazy. You drive it as fast as you want. It's like pedal adjustment, pedal throttle selector. That's what that is right there. Over here on this side, Landon, help around the front for me, buddy. Quick. Quick. No, get on the passenger side. Check this out. Right here, guys. So here's all the, I'm not gonna turn the truck on because it'll switch to Bluetooth. But you got a lot of room up here to put your pens, pencils, crack pipes, and anything else you want right there. Here is your infotainment screen. I'm not gonna turn on because it's gonna connect to my Bluetooth, but it's got backup camera. Push button start. Automatic gear shifter selecting knob. Backup camera looks great. Awesome. Shut it off. 71,365 maintained miles. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, passenger heated seats. All the controls right there. Traction control off, tow haul, rear sensors on off, front sensors on off. Auxiliary, iPhone C cord, or whatever what's that cord called, the new one?
The Type C.
Type C cord. The best part I love about this truck, the absolute best part I love about this truck, is the huge space. Number one, in the compartments right here. Two, look how huge that is. Even bigger right here. And the coolest part about little like hidden secret on the Rams, it gives you all the measurements right here. Fraction to decimal chart. It gives you the inches on a 90-degree, what's this called? Like in high school I learned this, or middle school I didn't pay attention. Protractor, right? This is a protractor, maybe. Okay? All the degrees. Adjacent angle, hypotenuse use, trigonomic ratios, standard metric ratios, all designed for Ram. Now, honestly, what the hell? Who in the hell is going to use this? Hold on 1 second. Let me go break out my protractor from my Ram. It's under my center console. You got a piece of friggin' plywood that'll fit inside this truck so we can measure it and then make the cut. Good, cool call, but yeah. Dodge are always really intricate like that. So here's another part. Check this out. Coins. Who uses coins anymore? But spot to put your phone, your keys, whatever. Your beers, your 40s, or like Foster's beer can go here. They're huge. Another cool part. Watch this. Ready? Slide that back, and my God, you can fit a 6-pack, 24-pack, 18-pack, whatever you want. Your phone, a little icon right here, it's got a little rubber. You put your phone in there, and it holds it in super tight. So if you roll this son of a gun over or get in an accident, your phone's still going to be assured, your phone's going to be okay. You're all right. Your phone's going to be right there. It'll be perfectly fine. You can put a pencil right here. And with that said, you got a Bluetooth and steering wheel, leather wrap steering wheel, all the controls right there. Let's go check the power plant. Your rock lights are right here. I'm gonna shine this on. Landon, you're gonna go under there and check it out. Ready? It's on. Let's go check out the accident light while you're checking out the hood. Go on the dark side. Come to the dark side, my friend. Good day, matey. I got my finger stuck in me bum. Coming to the dark side. Look at that. Get on there. Super bright rock lights. You come on this side, go down here. There's a rock light here. There's a rock light there. Here's the undercarriage of the vehicle right here. All beautiful, absolutely beautiful. No rust on the inner side of the body, the frame, nothing. The truck's been super well maintained. Let's check out the power plant. We're gonna end this video because it's getting too long. In the nighttime, this is all one light strip. Look in the video and the link to the description, you'll see it right there. Here it is, 5.7 liter HEMI V8 engine, absolutely beast of a truck. A lot of room in that engine cavity. Bone stock besides the exhaust and the tune. With that said, let's, how many minutes are we at?
10.
You're looking at me with the light, the bad way to do the light. Come right down here, come down here. 10 minutes, too long. Cut the video off right now. See you guys later, peace out. If you're checking out this truck, is it glared out?
No.
If you're checking out this truck, you want more info on this truck, and also on a serious note, check out superiorwholesale.org or call 540-898-3025. You can also call or text me on my work cell phone, 540-848-2974. If you guys have any questions at all, I'll be more than happy to answer them. I'm 6 foot tall, the Anthony gauge. Big shout out to you, buddy. A long time no talk. Hope you're doing great. I'm 6 foot tall, and I come up to the mirror of this son of a gun. Big boy truck. Ram Incorporated lettering into the turn signal of this truck right here. So hope you guys are doing great. We got plenty more videos coming up, including that dually right there. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye. Sorry, just didn't mean to add in the video that quick. These are rough country neoprene seat covers, okay? This video is not being sponsored by them. They just happened to be in the truck when we bought the truck or when we got it on trade-in. They're one of my favorite seat covers. They're made of like scuba dive material, neoprene. They're like water resistant, and they are absolutely rugged. I mean, you just can't destroy them. And the seats underneath are in great shape. They really are. They're two-tone dark gray and black under the seats. Headrest and back seat are also covered. See you guys later. Another part of the video I forgot. Cubby holes everywhere. They did a great job on the spots on this truck. Push the button right here. Little cubby hole, probably about 5 inches by 15 inches long. Awesome spot to put whatever the hell you want. Glove box right here. Past inspection at the local Dodge dealership. Everything's good. You get your Cirrus radio and whatever the hell that came with factory. And the lug nuts for the huge spline on the big wheels. Because they're bam, right there. Hope you guys enjoy the video. There's probably a lot more I'm missing. See you later.